Are you interested in learning how to make your writing sessions more efficient and fun at the same time? Does that sound impossible? It's totally achievable if you merge quick bursts of focused writing with relaxing mini breaks. This, dear happy writer, is the Pomodoro Technique for writers in action. It provides a fun and efficient way to supercharge your writing, keeping you focused and productive while having a great time. This video is all about the Pomodoro Technique for writers. We'll uncover how this simple method can help you write more in less time without burning out. I'll also share some fun tips to make your writing sessions more playful so you look forward to writing every single day. Are you ready to sprint your way to a finished novel in record time? Set your timer and let's dive in. Hello and welcome to Happy Writer Hub. I'm Maria, a happy writer, and I'm here to cheer for you on your writing journey. What is the Pomodoro Technique and why is it essential for writers? First, what is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is the tomato technique. It's where you fill your desk with tomatoes and hope they unleash your creativity and activate an endless supply of ideas. Just kidding! But it is related to tomatoes in the sense that the name Pomodoro comes from the Italian word for tomato, which is the shape of the original timer used by the technique's creator, Francesco Cirillo. Let's have another go at it for real this time. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method where you work on a task for 25 minutes. During this time interval, you focus only on that task and nothing else. After 25 minutes of uninterrupted work, you take a 5-minute break for your brain to relax before moving on to the next focus time block. After every 4 Pomodoros or work intervals, you take a longer break, typically 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's see how the Pomodoro Technique helps writers. For writers, the Pomodoro Technique is a great way to boost workouts during writing sessions. Because that 25-minute time interval is allocated entirely to writing, it means that all other activities are completely off limits. No editing, no research, and definitely no stalking your friends on social media. And that's when the magic happens. Writing continuously for 25 minutes, completely focused on your story, prevents your mind from wandering as you strive to write as many words as possible during that time. With this kind of focus, you'll see that the words flow faster than you can type them. By the end of the writing day or session, you'll have written a lot more than if you had stopped after every few words to see if there's a better word you can use or to see if your ex posted any new pictures from his holiday. The best part of the Pomodoro Technique is that after every new writing interval, when you look at the progress you made in just 25 minutes, you feel more energized and confident. This energy fuels your creativity, boosting your work count with every new writing session. But before starting the writing session, we should do some pre-Pomodoro preparation to optimize the writing zone. When beginning your writing session, it's important to be fully focused on your manuscript. Set yourself up for success with some pre-Pomodoro session preparation and watch your word count skyrocket as you type faster than the flash. Optimizing the workspace. First things first. We talked before about the importance of maintaining a clear, organized desk. An uncluttered workspace helps you get in the zone faster, minimizing distractions and maximizing idea generation. The whole idea of the Pomodoro Technique is to help you be as productive as possible. Writing in a clutter-free environment will make your writing sessions so much more effective and enjoyable. Don't let the 10 coffee mugs, the collapsing stack of papers, and the sea of scattered pens on your desk distract you. Don't choke your muse with your clutter. Make space for her to come and inspire you by clearing your writing space and your mind. Optimizing the Pomodoro session. Now that your writing space is ready for your creative mind to get to work, let's see how to optimize the writing session. Here are a few things you can try. Pomodoro timers. These can be digital timers or physical ones. I use a digital timer called Be Focused. Be Focused is only available on Macs, but there are other similar timers available for PCs. You don't like the idea of using a digital timer? You can use a physical timer instead, like a fun tomato-shaped timer if you don't mind the ticking sound, or a timer that's more specifically designed for the Pomodoro techniques. I'll add some links in the video description. Next, we have the distraction blocking apps. Even with the timer counting down, you might sometimes give in to the temptation of searching something on the web or checking your phone during the Pomodoro interval. For these cases, blocking apps like Freedom and Forest work wonders, keeping you in the writing zone so that nothing can come between you and your manuscript, creating an ideal writing ambiance. Do you prefer working with music or in complete sound isolation? A brightly lit room or a softer candle glow? Which one creates the right writing mood? Are you too drowsy to write when it's hot, or you just can't move your fingers on the keyboard if it's too cold? The perfect blend of music, lighting, and temperature can transform your writing process, making words flow smoothly. Experiment to find which combination works best for you and watch your writing flourish. Customizing the Pomodoro sessions for your writing rhythm. The great thing about the Pomodoro technique is that it is fully customizable. You don't have to work with the classic writing intervals of 25 minutes and breaks of 5 minutes. You can adjust these settings to fit your needs and preferences and make it work for you. After 25 minutes, when the timer goes off, could you easily keep working for another 20 minutes? Awesome! Or, on the contrary, you find that with the 25-minute timer, the final 5 minutes seem to stretch out and drag on excessively, considerably reducing your writing speed? No problem! Experiment with extending and shortening the time interval in the Pomodoro timer and see how long you can go without losing focus. Use the interval that works for you. Just like with the writing intervals, the breaks are completely customizable as well. If 5 minutes between two writing intervals is not enough for you to recharge, take a longer break. The classic Pomodoro technique uses a 20-minute break after 4 work intervals. But that might not be enough for you. If you need 1 hour, use it. It's better to take a longer break to fully recharge than to push through when you're tired and unfocused, which reduces your creativity and productivity. Experiment and find out what works for you. All these writing tools are here to help us, so make them work for you. Customize the Pomodoro technique to match your own power of concentration and your writing flow. Now let's see how we can make the writing sessions more fun. But before we do that, if you're enjoying this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on being a productive, happy writer. Gamifying your writing, turning work into play. Seeing the words flow onto the page is both motivating and exciting. But you know what makes it even more exciting? Gamifying your Pomodoro sessions. Adding playful elements to your writing reduces the pressure of creating a flawless first draft and boosts your creativity, making the whole writing process more fun. Here's what you can do to make the writing session more fun. First, you need to track your word count for each writing interval. Every time the timer goes off, jot down how many words you wrote during that time interval. Then, in the next writing interval, challenge yourself to beat the previous interval's word count. Isn't this fun? Not only does it give you a fun game to play, but it also makes you more productive as you constantly try to beat your word count record. You want to elevate the writing game even more? Every day, have a little competition with yourself and see if you can do better than the previous day. It's a simple, satisfying way to keep track of your wins and celebrate your writing achievements. In a friendly competition with yourself, there's really only one winner, you, and you win no matter the outcome. And you're having fun along the way. Let me know in the comments how you make your writing sessions more fun. If you enjoyed this video, then you might also enjoy this other video about the benefits of writing first thing in the morning. Keep writing and keep searching for ways to make it more fun.